You've seen this headline all over social media feeds today. Homeland Security to compile a database of journalists and media influencers. Our first thought was, this can't be real, can it? So we decided to verify it. Our first stop, the Department of Homeland Security's website. Check out this posting on their job website. DHS is looking for a contractor for a database that will monitor more than 290,000 news outlets, both in the U.S. and around the world. The database would collect information on journalists, bloggers, and media influencers, tracking their public activities online based on location and beat or reporting specialty. It would also track the sentiment of the content. That's the part that has some people a little worried. We asked DHS how it plans to use the data that's collected and whether or not it helps national security. We never heard back, but DHS spokesperson tweeted that the database is, quote, nothing more than the standard practice of monitoring current events in the media, calling it a conspiracy theory to suggest otherwise. Other security experts tend to agree. Cybersecurity analyst Garrett Graff says it's a smart thing for DHS to do and encouraged everyone to stop freaking out. And Brookings fellow Susan Hennessy says this has more to do with public relations than the end of the free press. So this is verified to be true. Online privacy and data security impacts most of us, and we want to hear from you. Let us know what you think on our 11 Alive Facebook page.